What's up, guys? Welcome to your 187th Android tutorial for the new Boston. And since we just did, speech recognition, now what we're going to do is we're going to allow our emulator or phone to talk back to us. So that it's going to be able to, do text to speech. So what I did is I set up a class called TextVoice and implements onClickListener, set the content view to basically our layout, which is just a button. So you can set that up, and then set up your button and set your onClickListener and all that good stuff. So pretty basic. First thing that we're going to do after we have all those references set up and our onClickListener set up, we're going to set up what phrases we want our application to speak. So we're just going to say static final, and we could have done like an edit text to get the input and then convert it to a string and read that. If you guys want to do that as well, you can. We're wrapping up here. I want to finish off a few different things here, but again, we're just going to say static final string array, and we're going to call this text. And then we just set up what we want our text to be here. And so we're going to say like something like what's up, gangsters, gangstas, and whatever else we want. You smell. I have a crush on Travis. That should be good for now. And for some reason I forgot again to hit equals, so there we go. We have to set what the text is equal to, which is we have 3 things within here. You can add some more if you guys want, but whatever. So now we have some simple text. Now what we want to do is we also want to have a variable or instance of our text to speech type variable. So we're going to set that up. Up here it's going to be a text to speech type variable, and we're going to call this text to speech, something like that. Add our imports, and we're good to go. So let's jump into the onCreate method where we're going to set up this text to speech. And also, actually, we also want to add a onPause method because we don't want this, text to speech thing on all the time. So you might want to add that. Then our onPause method, we're just going to disable that text to speech. So we're just going to say if text to speech is not equal to null, we're going to kill it, gangster style. We're just going to hit .stop. And then tts.shutdown. So that's how we that's how we kill it there. Alright, so now that we know how to kill it, we want to actually be able to know how to set it up. So let's go into our onCreate method, and we're just going to say text to speech equals new text to speech. This takes 2 things within its parameters. First one is the context, so we're just going to say our class name TextVoice dot this, and the second one is the listener. So if we would have implemented it, that's cool, but we're just going to say new text to speech dot and then on int or on initialize listener. So we're just going to click that, and it's going to set up basically the method that we need. So we're going to close off our statement, and this is the method that gets called, this on initialize or whatever. So that's the basic framework. We're probably going to end the tutorial here because we still have a lot to do, and I don't want to get into it too much here. So I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Hope you have a good one, and see you later.